I got gifted a bride box. Hey, I'm Sid, and I'm based in San Antonio, Texas, and I'm getting married in 78 days. I am a bit stressed, to be honest, but I'm super excited overall as a whole, counting down the dang days. And I'm also most excited to finally review this amazing bride box that one of my best friends and one of my bridesmaids, Amy, ended up sending me. So let's look into it. I did a little bit of research, and the bride box is the #1 subscription box for brides to be. Or so they say. It's on their website. I'm just the messenger. I'm just the messenger. They have a couple of different options available. You can do like a month-to-month subscription. You can do like a 3-month, a 6-month. You can do like several month subscriptions, or you can do a gift box. It's pretty much what Amy did for us. And they have like several different options of gift boxes. There's a future Mrs. box, a best of the bride box. There's a beach box, a bachelorette box, and like all these other different boxes. And Amy actually ended up getting us the Mr. and Mrs. box. So let's check it out. So let's see what's in here. So there's a little card in here, and it's so dang cute. And oh my gosh, I love it, I love it. It says, we wish you guys all the best in this next chapter of your lives. I love you guys. Thankful to have you as friends. Here's to many more memories. With love, BRDL. I love it, I love it, I love it. Amy got married like earlier this year, and we were there, and it was just the sweetest dang wedding. And actually Amy and I are like friends from high school. So I don't know, so many memories, just such good stuff. And so dang nice of her. So let's like take a look inside. Okay, so the first thing I see are these super dang cute like wine bottle, alcohol bottle outfits. You've got like a dress, and then you have like a cute little tuxedo option, which I think is so dang cute. You have these super cute do not disturb kind of things we can put on our hotel room. And it says, do not disturb, just married. Freaking cute. I love it, I love it, I love it. And then we also have some reseal wine toppers. One says bride, one says groom. And so dang cute, I love it. We also have a Mr. Right and a Mrs. Always Right little spatula. And it's so funny because I was just telling Jerome that I really want one of these like kind of like baking spatulas, because I think I burned and melted our previous one. So this is actually perfect. And then next we have this here. I want to say this is a towel, and it says Mr. Right and Mrs. Always Right. I love it, I love it, I love it. And then we also have these really cute kind of suitcase tags, and one says Mr., one says Mrs., which I'm super stoked for because we do have our honeymoon coming up, and this will just be so cute to add. I don't know, just anything for the gram, anything for some photos. Okay, moving on. This says, together forever. Sweet thoughts for your happily ever after. This is so cute. It's like just a cute like little quote book that we can like flip through and go through every day. I really love this. This is so cute. And then, oh my, what is this? This is really big. Okay, let's just take it out. Let's just take it out of the package. What is this? Is this like a... What is this? No way, these are freaking pillowcases! Oh my gosh, so this pillowcase says a Mrs. and this one says a Mr. Oh my gosh, yes! Yes! And now for the last item, which I'm actually most excited and like most thankful for, are some cards. So this one says, to my handsome husband on our wedding day, and the other one says, to my beautiful bride on our wedding day. And it's so funny because I've asked Amy for so much advice and help because she's already gotten married and kind of what she would do and what her recommendations are. And her biggest things that she said is writing a letter to your person the day of the wedding. And that's just something I've always kept in the back of my head. I just have yet to find a super cute card or a way to do it. And now I have it, and I'm super stoked for this. I'm so excited for this, and I freaking love it. I freaking love it. Ah! Amy, I love you so much. You are just a gem. I feel like our friendship has not only grown from like high school days to now to just our future selves, and I am just so grateful for your friendship, so grateful for your kindness and your love and your support. You watch all my videos and that just makes me so fucking happy as well. And the bride box is pretty dang cool. I'll leave all their information down below, what you can check it out, this specific gift box, the subscriptions, all that jazz. But yeah, I'm just so grateful. Days are counting down. Bachelorette party is coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And I'm just over the moon, super grateful, super excited. And you already know on Wednesdays we talk about weddings, so till the next time, bye!